How to get working Canva discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'm gonna help you locate or get a working Canva discount promo codes so you can stretch down the original price. So of course, pull up your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. Now go into this website that's gonna be studentbeans.com. That is totally free. Use the search brands, items, or categories and type in Canva. You're going to be seeing a lot of results here, but all you have to do is to choose on Canva sign up for free. If you scroll down, you will have access to all the specific discount promo codes available on Student Beans. Just simply choose on Get Now or copy code, then paste it into Canva. And that's how you get working Canva discount promo codes.